Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maryam and I'm from the Department of BS Chemistry. Today I'm here with another course, which is of data visualization with Matplotlib. And it is submitted to Dr. Hamad and it's the second project of the Python. So let's have a glimpse on the content of our presentation, in which I have coded introduction to Matplotlib and how to plot the time series, and after that, the statistical visualization of the data. And at the last, how to share and how to save the data. So let's have the introduction of the Matplotlib. How to use the Matplotlib. You can use this by using import matplotlib.byplot as plt plot. And how we can create it. Figure axis plot.subplot. This is how we can easily plot it. And after that, we have to call the function to show or run the result, which is very easy, plot.show. And how to customize the data pairs. In every field, we can customize everything. For example, in Word, in Excel, we can customize or everything on our requirement. So here we can also customize our data appearance. For example, this is a graph and we want the slope to one in a blue color and the other one is red color. So the syntax is very clear and very easy. For the graph plot having a Seattle data, we have to use the marker O and the line style will be dash and the color will be B, which means blue. But for the case of Aston, we will be using the marker V, the color R, which means red, and the line style is same, dotted. And we have to run the result on the Python plot.show. So adding the labels and the titles. How you can add the labels and the title. It is far more similar and easier. We have to customize our X and Y label by using the given title to them. ax.setX label time, which are in months, and Y label is precipitation, which is in inches. And we have to set the title of X and Y, which we are setting is weather pattern in Austin and Seattle, and then we have to run it. How we can plot two variables? It is very simple to plot two variables at a point. We have to xplot climate change.index, climate change, carbon dioxide, and the color will be of blue. On the other hand, the color will be of red. Here we can see the graph. One is in red and the other one is blue. Now, statistical visualization. There are different types of the visualization, for example, bar charts, scatter charts, etc. We will see this line-wise. The first one is we are going to plot a bar chart. For that, x.bar will be used and syntax will be same. But in the case of creating histogram, it is different. It is just different here. X.bar, we are here x.hist, while the rest of the syntax is same for the weight of the rows and the gymnastics. For creating box plot, we are going to use x.boxplot and the rest of the syntax is same for this as well. For creating a scatter plot, we are using x.scatter and the x and y axis and with their respective units. And we have to set x and y. The rest of the syntax are very similar with the previous one. And how we can share data with others. Before moving into the sharing, we should be familiar with how to style our data, like how we can customize our data. For use, we use plot.style.use. To save a file, fig.save.figure is used, and this is how we can save, and DPI will be given. For example, here 300 is given. So that is my statement of accomplishment of introduction to data visualization with Matplotlib. Thank you.